Subscribe for more videos. Buy, buying. Lily is buying. Eat, eating. He is eating. Say again. Eat, eating. He is eating. The car is fast. Say again. The car is fast. Apple, my big apple. This is my big apple. Say again. Apple, my big apple. This is my big apple. The ant is teeny. Say again. The ant is teeny. Book, my big book. This is my big book. Say again. Book, my big book. This is my big book. The box is empty. Say again. The box is empty. The fish is swimming. Say again. The fish is swimming. Is this your bag? Say again. Is this your bag? Hat, a red hat. This is a red hat. Say again. Hat, a red hat. This is a red hat. May I help you? Say again. May I help you? The sun is shining. Say again. The sun is shining. The lemon is sour. Say again. The lemon is sour. The papaya is sweet. Say again. The papaya is sweet. The bird is flying. Say again. The bird is flying. The sunflower is yellow. Say again. The sunflower is yellow. This is my favorite dish. Say again. The books are on the table. Say again. The books are on the table. The dog can jump. The dog can jump and play. Say again. The dog can jump. The dog can jump and play. Do you see Do you see the cat? Say again. Do you see? Do you see the cat? Can you get the red jam? Say again. Can you get the red jam? It is daddy's birthday. Say again. It is daddy's birthday. I have a parrot. I have a colorful parrot. Say again. I have a parrot. I have a colorful parrot. A fox. This is a fox. This is Tom's fox. Tom has a fox. Say again. A fox. This is a fox. This is Tom's fox. Tom has a fox. Cow. My cow. This is my cow. This is my cute cow. Say again. Cow. My cow. This is my cow. This is my cute cow. Kite. My kite. My big kite. This is my big kite. Say again. Kite. My kite. My big kite. This is my big kite. Doing homework. She's doing homework. Say again. Doing homework. She's doing homework.